What is this crazy snack I just found? Okay, this is called Finna Pars, and it says, I heart Indonesian snacks with a little shrimp on these little chips here. So I guess it's some kind of Indonesian shrimp puff. So let's try it out. Okay, it's like a little puffy kind of cracker thing. I don't know. Oh, it's not very good. Wait, maybe I just need another one. It's kind of like a cheese puff texture, but it's like a savory, salty kind of taste. I don't recommend it.